DAYO AMUSA seriously needs our prayers. Before we continue this news, what we do on our channel is to give trending updates and news that concern the Nollywood industry. If you are coming across our video for the first time, kindly subscribe to this channel for more interesting news and updates. DAYO AMUSA welcomes a baby boy, shares joyful news on Instagram. Nollywood actress and singer, DAYO AMUSA, has taken to her Instagram to share the heartwarming news of welcoming her bundle of joy. In a celebratory post on her handle, the star expressed gratitude to God, saying, "Alhamdulillah, my treasure has arrived. It's a boy." The announcement has since sparked an outpouring of love and congratulations from fans, colleagues, and well-wishers across the globe. Many flocked to the comments section to shower prayers and blessings on the newborn, while others praised DAYO for sharing such uplifting news. DAYO AMUSA, known for her vibrant personality and stellar contributions to Nollywood, has kept her personal life relatively private. This announcement marks a joyful milestone for her, and her fans couldn't be happier to join in the celebration. As the actress embraces motherhood, fans eagerly await more updates and glimpses of her precious treasure. Congratulations, DAYO AMUSA. Don't forget to congratulate her before you go. Write congratulations in the comments section.